This is bad though. Fonz and Shotgun Suge took a turn for the worst. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. 3-0, 3-0, 3-0. Told you. I told you. I told you. I thought it was gonna be competitive all night, and quite frankly, it just wasn't. When I thought Suge got better and good,
all we knew was guns up and ride. We was kids, turned young and alive. First thing we learned in the playground was run up the slide.
Run up the slide? That's crazy, Suge. That is a fact. Suge, bro. That's what I want to hear right there. Fonz took it up to another level of the good and better. Every round, though. Right.
It was me. Would have been broke tests, broke necks, slow deaths, protests. Outside marching with the sticks, protest.
Marching with the sticks is a protest? Ah! I'm not about to watch this no more, bro. Marching with the sticks is a protest. That is insane, dog. It looked like B picked a dope little spot. He did, gotta get through a bunch of rots and whatnot, but I like it. I think I'm about ready. I think. Hopefully I don't bust my stuff trying to sit on these rocks. But TT, you got repellent? XB. Alright. I think I'm ready. I'm ready, Zeus.
Televised in
Offensive audible, switch on the my nigga's official. The chopper blazing. Now the doctor trying to get one
thing straight.
His affirmation.
Oh! His affirmation? This is over.
Now if you try to do one, I'ma do two.
Whoa. If you try to do three, I'ma do four. Maybe even more. I go by the name of PRLO. Yeah. I knew Fonz was gonna go up there and do work. Chris Unbiased, I told you.
You ain't even the nicest in your crew, Lane. I mean, I ain't trying to hate on it, but if we bring in grapes in the picture, it shouldn't be at the bottom like some Kool-Aid.
That's crazy. And grapes in the picture, sugar, you know when you making Kool-Aid in the picture? That's cool. Stop, Fonz. I told you, dog. And Fonz even had a shot at you, bro. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Chris called me one day and we were talking about the battles. He's like, nah, I got Suge wiping the floor. I'm saying, hey, are you crazy?
Nah, not wiping the floor. Shotgun in the pants, let the show walk. I told Suge to go get a bucket in Houston, like Harden with the Mohawk.
Suge go get a bucket in Houston like Harden with the Mohawk? You better cook up. Cook up.
I could not find shit like this. I just had it.
I could not. Yeah, I could not find shit. I just had it. I said, Fonz, this is the moment for Fonz though. Fonz had these moments where he got up on that stage and it was subpar performances. And I'm like, he need this one though. It's a credible opponent. He's a legend. I think Fonz gonna show up and do work with this one. And he did that. He did that. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Cause you be having the stage rocking. Late night with the cake popping. Masked up, I was bank robbing. Used to be little Debbie hosting cake hopping. Riding your bike to your chain popping.
Yeah.
Ain't stopping. Your name's Shotgun, but your whole career you stayed in that same pocket.
Oh! You got it. You stayed in that same pocket? Ah!
Yeah.
How we feeling, fellas? What are we doing?
Looks like we're right.
That woke up and saw Dolph, the young Dolph.
That shit was crazy. He woke up and saw it.
It's so
These bitch niggas get hauled off. Put a chop on shotgun. He woke up and saw it off.
Oh my God! Oh my Lord!
Yeah, Fonz.
And again, I hate doing videos like this because I want to give credit where credit is due. Shotgun Suge had fire material.
Cut the gimmick. SLK is cut lieutenant. Everybody that can like for brief, but ain't nothing said it. Put the top on his hand.
Crazy. It's crazy. Let's get it. Let's get there. Let's get there, Suge. Somebody said too much filler.
Everybody that can like for brief, but ain't nothing said it. Make his honey bite a biscuit. You pussy.
That's a joke. No, Suge. No, Suge. The first round he choked. It was more of a choke recovery. You know, he stopped for about 5-10 seconds, got back in his shit, right? So that's a choke recovery. It's a choke. Like that round automatically lost by Shotgun Suge. But Fonz come out punching his motherfucking head off. Shit is lying.
Suge in a big room. So first things first, let's get this out the way. Rinse do.
Pocket tap, first things first, rinse do, the landlord.
Pick the nigga. Now bitch moves.
Ooh. That's crazy. The setup was crazy with the pocket tap shit. No mercy. I don't care what he did up here, but I'm about to show y'all what I'ma do up here.
He ain't EFB, right?
Who, Fonz? No. No.
He might as well be.
That's a fact. Hey, every one of them would, but see the thing is when he got to the fourth and the one that meant, it really took the crowd there though.
This is where the Fonz stops.
Fonz snapping right now.
Plum stop, gunshots. Let it open up on shotgun side like a glove box. Boom, stop.
Let it open up like, so shotguns like a glove box? That's crazy. This motherfucker wildin'. He's wildin' right now. Where they was just like over the top with the reaction. So when Suge land his bar and it hit, it was more like,
Fonz hit the top option. We not stopping. We not boxing. Tennis stolen. We op shopping. Kick his door for spot rocking. Look at his teeth. He rock copping.
there go that cadence. Keep going, Suge. Right. Go that cadence. Keep going, Suge. I like when when he get in that flow pop. But when Fonz landed his shit, the crowd was like, yo, what are we doing up here? What are we doing?
Blast it off. A bunch of kids slide on you. Scratch material. Shine the tool. Grimy dudes. When they clutch and bang, he go in the same place as Usher Chain. In the ICU. And that's
Oh my God. That is different, bruh.
On top of that, Fonz was like I feel overwhelmed. We got the protest bar, we got the run up the slide bar.
I forgot about that one. Yo, the whole rhyme scheme though in the third. The whole third, bruh.
Squeeze and burst.
Nerf.
Squeeze and burst.
Come on, whole scheme.
I empty a clip before you hop in that Uber with old red. Send me a list. You really a bitch.
Whoa, send me a lip.
You really a bitch.
That's crazy, Fonz. He is wildin', dog. Six with the
It was so much material.
It was too much, bro.
So much
It was too
material
much.
in the 3 rounds. It was like, God damn.
The same scrap.
Angle is crazy.
That's no lie. You know why?
Punch angle,
I can
bro.
never be shotgun. That's a nigga with no drive. 4-5.
I can never be shotgun. That is a nigga with no drive. It's simple shit like that,
I can never be shotgun. That's
but
a nigga
super
with no
complex,
drive.
bro. Now, what was Suge's best round though? Second? You got the second? Because here's where he got into his element. His element.
I get his top fry. It's going up. It's a stock ride. I got a shotgun, calico, look at hollows in the clip. My top 5. He going.
Let's go, bruh. That's crazy. This the element. Yeah, no, this the element. This the element right here. It's the element right here, Suge. This the element right here. The flow pattern in the pockets that he was in. Yeah.
He had it
Yeah.
second and Fonz came over.
Yeah. And even Fonz second though. And that was where the protest shit, right? So that was my thing. I got Fonz clear round 1. Round 2, Edge, because I like Shotgun Suge's round in the second.
I was broke and fucked up, really made me reckless, so I became invested. I got college clientele. Everybody looked like Braden and Weston. I got.
Let's go, nigga. That's crazy. You gotta watch Power. That's fire. But that protest shit was just different. And he still had work after that.
And the angle, he was working with the angle when he was
Exactly. At the whole angle, bro. The whole angle. He's still up in that bitch, bro. Bar for bar, he's still in that motherfucking rhyme reference and scheme.
The shell carry in the field with no safety. How you gonna prevent a Hail Mary?
How he gonna prevent a Hail Mary? It was punch for punch, very witty and crafty, and then he had the rhyme, like the whole angle, bruh. Like it was, like Fonz really took it up to another level. I knew he would win, because I predicted that, but I didn't know he was gonna do that.
Because when them Cali niggas put the knots on you, you was working out there. You know, repping the set. But he ain't holding no weight when niggas spotted you.
Come on, man. Come on, Fonz. He literally hit him with the shoulder roll too, Fonz. Punching him like a motherfucker. And then the third, again, it's Suge just wasn't clean.
Yeah, I was saying the cleanness of
It's just he just wasn't clean at all. This was not a clean performance by Suge, and I think he knew it. At one point, he pulled out his phone. He was looking at his phone while Fonz was rapping.
I heard something, dirt something, the jerk bucking. I could snap and make him run a fade like Kirk Cousins.
That can make you run a play like Kirk
I could
Cousins.
snap and make you run a fade.
These are
like
all
Kirk
light bars.
Cousins.
These are jabs that are ineffective for real. That was after he was done. I think you're right.
Fonz moved his phone. He was like, I forgot what he said, and he like moved it and got his ear.
Yeah.
What is life like? How the fuck you the landlord in position to get evicted? They say all you do is punch, or nigga stop, and if all I do is punch, nigga block it.
Somebody threw a ball. Who threw the basketball? Who threw the ball? He got dunked on.
It's me.
But it's more of the showmanship. It ain't necessarily the bars. Jersey. And again, man, this is we gotta give credit where it's due. I don't really like to harp on what was done bad in battles. I like to, really give credit where it was due. Fonz was just better.
They just talk about drug sales and gun shells. What my life like? I had to trap out a whole gym. All I had was a bench and dumbbells.
I had to trap out a whole gym. All I had a bitch was a dumbbells.
Yeah.
He was more consistent.
Suge was a legend in the round, like, or in all 3 of the rounds. Like, you can't knock that.
Yeah, facts. That's a fact.
Yeah.
That's a fact. It just is what it is. Shotgun Suge, we gotta clean it up, bro.
Yeah,
like this battle, it was damn near like a grudge. Like they was beef, not beef. Let me not use the word beef, but it was too many promo videos out there geeking this battle up. And I expected Suge to really come in there and show the fuck out, and we didn't get that like that,
I feel
Suge.
like because of that, it was kind of a grudge. Suge's material should have been more like direct.
Right, more direct.
He had a lot of like
More street shit.
Yeah,
It was more street shit.
I really from the trap, I really sold some shit. Poppy really let me hold some shit. I got real land. I can make you a whole strand and grow some shit.
I got real land. I can make you a strand and grow through the strand. It is. It's the energy. It's all about energy. Yeah. I agree.
I agree with that because he did really well.
He just did really good, and I think that's what should be the highlight, not what Suge did. I think the highlight of this battle should be what Fonz did. Yeah. Every round was just extraordinary, and it got better. It got better. It got better.
Niggas throwing hoops in this bitch. I got a double team the landlord. To me, that shit wet. Nigga, I threw my own shit off the glass. I feel like team.
And just when I thought after that, the protest shit, I said, I can't get no better. Then he went into the whole formation, like the whole, the whole scheme though. The whole scheme though. The I formation. I said, this nigga right here, dog.
What happened when you went to the West and was soul searching? Ran into some real great niggas with no purpose. They fucked you up. You couldn't even get your phone working. They left you outside the store with no shoes, no shirt, no service.
No shoe. You know the signs that before you go into the store, you gotta have that on. No service. I mean, end this like this, man. Y'all let me know what you think. Drop it down in the commentary section below. It's the one and only Fanatic. Y'all follow me on some of the social medias, the Twitters, the Instagrams. Talk to me on there, please. I talk back. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button. Share the video worldwide because that's the only way we're gonna grow. What's up with the homies? Y'all go ahead and introduce yourself. Who we got? What we doing?
Yo, that was nasty work. Shout out to both the MCs. Levi, ruined your day. You know, we out here.
Jag, shout out Fonz, shout out Suge. Great battle.
And wherever 500 went. But we out this motherfucker.